Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we're gonna make blue eyes, and you will be able to do any eyes that you want, and you'll be able to make them more natural looking. If you want to change the colors or just any other type of shades you will be able to make. So let's start. So I'm gonna close this project and let's create a new project. It's gonna be a blank project, and I'm gonna switch to myself, and now I'm gonna add face mesh, and I'm gonna call it retouch, and I'm gonna add material by clicking this plus. I'm gonna call it retouch as well, and shader type is gonna be retouching, and I'm gonna make it 25. Okay, we did that. Now we are in our scene panel. I want us to go to our layer panels by clicking on layers, and also I'm gonna click add layer, and this layer I'm gonna name it occluder, and I will drag it below down, so this layer first, this layer second, and I'm coming back to our scene panel. And now also I'm gonna resize this window because I need to see better. So I need to add asset and import from AR library. We're clicking this one, and then we're searching for eyeball, and we need to download this block, import free, and you see blocked appear here. We come back, then we also need to download this patch, import free, and now this patch appeared here. And the last thing we need to download is 3D object, and I'm gonna click view all, and I'm clicking source Spark AR, and then I'm gonna download this object, import free, done. And you can see this object, 3D object, appear here in our assets panel. Okay, so we have, when I'm gonna I want to add one more face mesh, and I want this face mesh to be a child of face tracker. So this way I'm gonna do add face mesh, and I'm gonna call it occluder. And to figure out if this asset is child, you just need to click on this arrow, and you will see that it like folds up. So basically this is parent and this is children. So okay, we're going to material, create new material. We are gonna name it occluder asset, and we are gonna change opacity to 0 and our face back to normal. Also, when I need to change the settings of the face mesh itself, so I'm going to face mesh on, and I'm clicking on occluder, and I'm changing the layer. So layer is gonna be occluder, only add objects. I'm clicking, and also I'm changing the position, and for Z I'm gonna make 0.002. Okay, we did that. And now I'm clicking on this eyeball, and I'm holding and I'm dragging it on the face tracker, and our eyeball became a child of the face tracker. You see, I'm open, closing, and then it hides. And I'm gonna call it eyeball left, and also I'm gonna duplicate this one, duplicate, and I'm gonna call it eyeball right. So we have these eyeballs here, but we need them to be on our eyes. So we're gonna go to our view, show hide patch editor. I'm gonna resize it, and I'm clicking on face tracker and I'm just dragging it here. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna hide that part because I don't really need that one, and I'm just gonna leave this one. So from the face, I'm dragging and letting it go, and then I'm searching for eyeball and patch. And now you can see that here's like left eyeball center position, left eyeball rotation. So we are going to left eyeball and we are clicking on position and rotation. And here you can see 3D rotation, and this is 3D rotation here and 3D position here. So here clicking, connecting them, and rotation. Now our eyes look like that, one eye, left eye, and then we're going to the right eye and do the same position, rotation. So basically we are connecting position with position, rotation with rotation. Such pretty eyes, white. No, we're not gonna end up only doing that. We're gonna make them look normal. So now I'm going to the eye color, to this block, and I'm dragging it to our world. Let me actually close this because there's not much space. So I'm just fold it up by clicking on this arrow. I'm gonna fold this up, and then I'm clicking on this eye color and I'm dragging it to no, not there, actually here. It's like in the world, not on the under vocal distance, in the after microphone. So we have this one, and now we are dragging it to our patch editor. And now we are going to our patches, eyeball shader, and we are dragging our patch. Okay, so you can see here's global opacity. We connected. So basically we just from the bottom we are connecting like in a row with each other, but if you're gonna read, the names are matching. And now we're also going to eyeball matte and clicking on texture. Oh no, I'm gonna delete this one. I'm sorry guys. So we are going actually to the standard, and I'm clicking on texture and connecting this texture here. Okay. Also I'm going to the specular, and instead of texture I'm picking color, and I'm picking white color. And for the smoothness I'm gonna make it 95. Also for emission I'm just clicking on like here, and for the opacity I'm making it 0. Okay, we're done with that. Next thing, I'm gonna go to the light, and for the light I'm gonna make it 80% for the ambient light, and for the directional light I'm gonna make it 60% here, and rotation is gonna be -22 for the X, -30 for the Y, and -100.5 for the Z. Okay, so now we are going to the eye color, and we're gonna play with these settings. So I need to change the color of this one, and I already picked the color, so I'm clicking on this thing, and you can pick your own, but I'm gonna use 0C55C4. Okay, and then I'm picking another one for iris color B, and the color that I picked is gonna be 7DC3E7. Okay, and the last color is gonna be A8D5D6. Okay, for the iris opacity, I'm gonna make it a little bit less, so I'm gonna put a 0.82. For the pupil color, you can keep black, or in my case, I'm gonna put 030102. That's the color that I'm gonna use. Pupil opacity, I'm gonna keep 0.5. This I'm gonna keep the same. This also the same. Iris scale the same. Pupil scale, I'm gonna decrease it to 0.6. And global opacity 0.95. And if you like this video and planning to use it for your filter, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and also check my Instagram as for your video ideas. And also I help people on my Instagram when they ask me some questions. And I wish you a good day. Bye bye.